Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pandora here, and I'm back with a new makeup tutorial.
So I'm gonna start by priming my face with KATVOND primer. Then to minimize my pores, I'm using Dr. BRANDT Pores No More. This is one of my favorites. I always use it where my pores are showing off more, and I am just tapping it on my face. For the foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay in the color Classic Ivory. For the brow, I'm using Sigma Brow Pencil.
Eyeshadow base today is Persuade. Transition color today is Passion Fruit from Sigma Neutral Warm Volume 2 palette. I'm just packing it on the crease with a fluffy brush. For the brow bone today, I'm using Ravishing from Sigma. It's a loose shimmer pigment. For more intense color today as a base, I'm using Unexpected gel eyeliner and topping it off with loose shimmer and glitter in the shade Pageantry. Then I'm buffing up the edges with a small rounded brush. And to add more drama, I'm going to add a black color at the outer corner of the eye. And I decided to add a little bit more color, and I'm placing it in the crease and slowly blending it out. For the eyeliner today, I'm using the black eyeliner from Eyeko. I totally love it. Today we're not going to do the winged eyeliner, as I'm going to blend it out with a black eyeshadow and make the transition very smooth. And then mascara, today I'm using Gigi Hadid in collab with Maybelline. For the inner corner, I decided to be a little extra with a Violet Voss, a glitter in the Unicorn collection. For the under eye, I'm using Unexpected again and tracing it as a base. Then I'm topping it with Pageantry, loose shimmer and glitter from Sigma. To add drama to the outer corner, I'm going to use Control. It's a black eyeshadow from Sigma. Eyelashes choice today is Lily Lashes Havana. With a Rodial Smoky eye pen, I'm going to add a little more drama to the outer corner of the eye and blend it with black eyeshadow. To conceal and highlight my face today, I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It Cream Concealer in the shade L5 Neutral. And then blended it out with a beauty sponge. To set my face today, I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Powder in shade Translucent. To contour my face today, I'm using my all-time favorite from Kat Von D, Laden Shine, a powder contour palette. Blush choice today, Steve Laurent in the shade I'm Blushing, and oh boy is this one pigmented. I had to go back and tone it down a little bit. For the highlighter today, I'm using Butter Pecan from Too Faced palette. Lipstick choice today is a new mod from Sigma. I absolutely love this one, and then I'm going to top it off with Lip Vex in the shade All Heart Lip Vex. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and found it interesting. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one.